Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the download location on your Google Chrome. So here in Google Chrome, when you download file, of course there's a default location that you can locate your downloaded software or files, usually on the C, local DC and download folder here. And here you can change the location by click three dot at the top right corner of your screen and click settings. Now you can click downloads option, and this is location. So here you can find your users hashtag, your name, user, and download. Now you can change it. So for example, you want to change and create new folder, is up to you. And here you can ask where to save each file before downloading. You can turn this option if you need, and show downloads when they are done. You can turn off and turn on this option when you need it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.